So if you got that function, use differentiation by first principles to show that it's the differential. Okay, first of all, what you could do is, you could say, you got that, and then you could say, what is f of x plus h? And if I put that into this, you got 2 x plus h cubed plus 3x plus h. Now when I cube that, could I one or two ways, I'm just going to do that. You should know this one, that you get that cubed and none of that, then you get 3 times that squared times h, then you get 3 times x, and then you square the h, and then you get h cubed. That's the easiest way to do the cubics. Like Pascal's triangle, you got the 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 1. Okay, so you got that plus 3x plus 3h. Now if I put this together, expand that out, you got 2x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 6x h squared plus 2h cubed plus 3x plus 3h. And then I'm just going to collect them all together, see if there's anything to collect. Actually, there isn't much to collect. I'm just going to leave it at that at the moment. Let's see what goes on. Okay, so that is h. So let's start putting our first principle rule down. You should know, I'm just going to put it here. First principles. So f of x plus h minus f of x all over, now you can do x plus h minus x, actually I'll put it there, and the limit when h tends to 0. This can be simplified to the limit when h tends to 0, you get f of x plus h minus f of x all over, they will cancel over h. So let's put that here now. So we want to look for the limit as h tends to 0. F of x plus h is this. So I'm just going to write that all down. 2x cubed plus 6x squared h plus 6x h squared plus 2h cubed plus 3x plus 3h minus f of x. F of x is just that. Okay, just going to put a box around here so it doesn't come into effect. So I'm going to minus all that off. So I'm going to minus 2x cubed. I'm going to minus the 3x. And all that is going to be shared by h. So what you should start doing now is that cancels with that, and that cancels with that. So what we get is limit h tends to 0. You got 6x squared h plus 6x h squared plus 2h cubed plus 3h, and that's what you got left, all over h. Now I'm going to cancel the h's out, so that will cancel with that, one of those, and one of those. So that's going to end up as the limit as h goes to 0. You'll end up with 6x squared plus 6x h plus 2h squared plus 3. Now as h tends to 0, you can state that this will tend to 0 as it's multiplied by h, as h is going to 0. 0 times anything is 0. This will tend to 0 because 0 squared is 0, and 0 times anything was 0, and that will be left with 6x squared plus 3. 6x squared plus 3 QD. That's it.